This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jackie Crawford. Beautiful and modern ranch home on a cul-de-sac with cathedral ceilings and an open floor plan throughout. Home features newer roof, fence, updated kitchen and bath, and a large backyard great for cookouts and entertaining. Renter's insurance is required. Pets allowed with restrictions, no viscous dog breeds. Pets accepted on a case-by-case basis. Contact agent first before viewing home to see if your pets are considered. No smoking inside home allowed. 2-year lease wanted and preferred. Washer/dryer work, but are as is, owner will not replace. Fireplace as-is, tenant cannot use. App fee equals $55 per adult. 18+. For more information, review the details below.